Yeah, Prabhu, this is very good.
So, so we have 8 syllables in each of these lines. So this meter, this chanda is called Anushtup meter or Anushtup chanda, which has 8 syllables in each line. Interesting part about this Anushtup chanda is, so out of the 8 syllables in each line, the first 4 can be anything. They can either be Laghu Guru. There's no such fixed pattern for them in each. Oops. So the first 4 can be anything. They can be either Laghu or Guru. This is a rule. Then let's count or consider the other 4 in each line. So Dharma Kshetra, now Kurukshetra. So Ku is small. Ku is small, so Laghu. Laghu stands for short. Ru is long
Yes. Go ahead,
because
sure
a
is.
satsanga is following, so Guru.
Yeah.
Kshe is long, Guru. Tre
Grow
is
is
long,
following.
Guru. Okay, then
How three is A is long?
I'm sorry.
Because already A.
A is long.
Uh,
A, I, O, all those 4 letters are long. Generally, people consider A and O to be small. But A and O, they are also long.
Because Prabhu, is it because it's already I, right? It's like Kurukshetre. Already.
I will teach you, maybe if we get time today, we'll start
Uh,
Sandhis. We'll learn it there.
um,
That A and O, they are actually made up of 2 vowels. A is made up of A and E. Like, for
uh-huh.
example, Yadava
Oh.
and Indra becomes Yadavendra.
Yeah, Prabhu,
So,
we remember that source, that shloka. I mean, sorry, that
so
you asked us to.
A and E becomes A. So that's why, because A is basically 2 letters. So it's a long vowel. Similarly, O is A and U becomes O. So that's why O is also a long letter. So A is a long letter, Prabhu.
Prabhu, one more question here is that I think this is you are talking about so this A and I, right? Uh, like
I'm sorry.
there's a sutra called
44,
as
right? 44.
44, right?
Yes,
A becomes I. A dwai I
Advamitva A.
O. Sorry. Yes, Prabhu.
Advamitva A. Udvayo. Yeah, I'm talking of that.
You're talking about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Um,
So all these 4 letters, A, I, O, and O, all these 4 are Trivikramas. They're long letters.
oh, all of them are for three Vikramas. I
So,
thought
so,
that I.
so out of the
Okay.
14 Sarveshwaras, in total we have 14
Uh-huh.
Sarveshwaras, the vowels.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
out of the 14, only 5 are Vamanas. Only 5 are short vowels. A, E, U, Ri, and Lri. The rest 9
Oh,
letters
okay.
are all Trivikramas.
Okay.
1 second. So out of the 14, 5 are small, rest 9 are long.
That is why there is a Dashavatara.
Yeah, in
When you
the
talk about
Shavdara, there are no A, I, O, only the first 10.
first 10, yeah.
And then there's the division, then Purva Vamana, Paras Trivikrama in the Shavdaras. Okay, the second line. So U is small. Youth, this is Guru.
Small.
Not small, because we have a
Oh,
satsanga here,
youth.
right?
Yeah. TS. Yeah.
Then,
Yes.
then
Yeah. Yeah.
sa is short and Vaha is long.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Then Mama Kaha Pan. Okay. The fifth one is small. Vash is long. Chai is long. And then Va is short. Then Kima Purva, Ta is small. Sun is long because Nya and Ja is a satsanga, right?
Mhm.
Then Ja is short and Ya is short. So this is the pattern of this first verse.
Prabhu, one thing here. So there is Va and Va here.
Mhm.
So Va became a Trivikrama because it had Va. I mean, there was a
Yeah, because both
then
things are there. Already it's a Trivikrama and satsanga is already there. So it's a Trivikrama.
no Satsanga is not there, right? So it has to be like
No, so satsanga is
two
there.
consonants.
Sha and Cha is a satsanga.
No, Prabhu. I was talking about the last part of Va and
This
yeah,
one?
no, above.
This one?
So there's Va and then Va. Yeah.
This is just
So if
va,
we
not va.
it is yeah, and then above there is Va, right?
Yeah, this vaha because Vishnu Sarga is there. That's why it's a long one, Trivikrama.
Okay, okay,
Because of Vishnu Sarga.
okay, bro. Yeah, you taught us last time. Vishnu Sarga. It becomes Trivikrama. Okay.
So now, if you want to make a shloka, let's try something basic. So let's say I want to make something on Krishna, uh, glorifying Krishna or something. So uh, let's say something like Namami Krishna. Okay, something like Namami. Uh, no. Okay, let's try something else. Shaya. Maha. Okay. Shri Jagannath. Shri Ganeshaya Shantaya Sridharaya Sridhara, Sridhar. Student, right? Okay. Now, student. Hmm. I'm just, it can be just something random, okay? So, uh, so, Srinathala, Vrindavanasthanathalya,
Govinda namo namah. It's
Govinda.
matching.
Okay, let's say. So this is a verse we just did. So we are just, it's like offering obeisances unto whom? Shri Ganesh, one who is Shant, peaceful, one who is Sridhar, one who is the Lord, uh, who is in Vrindavan, one who is Govinda. So if you can match now, let's do the breakup now. So Shri, Ga, Ne, Sha, Ya, Shantaya. So Shantaya. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vrind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 syllables in each line. Uh, so the first 4 syllables we are not really considering because according to the rule they can be anything. And also the last letters, there is also like a rule that they can be anything. You know, they can vary short or long. So it's mainly, you know, these the syllables number 5, 6, and 7, which are uh, not changing, non-changing for Anushtup Chanda. So Shri, if you can just do. So Shri is long. Okay, Shri is yeah, long. Ga is short. Now let's make some other syllable or symbol. Okay, for long, I will just make vertical line. For short, I'll make horizontal line.
So what
Shri.
we can just use that LG na.
Actually, I'm using mouse. My pad is just kept inside.
Oh, okay,
Uh,
okay, okay.
so just easy for that. So Shri, Ga is short, Ne long, Sha short. Sorry, long. Ya is short. Sha is long. Ta is long, and Ya is short. So if you see the 5, 6, 7 number, so Laghu Guru Guru. So I'm keeping that, you know, Laghu Guru Guru. Even the 8 letter fluctuates. So don't consider that. 5, 6, 7. Then for second line, Shri long, Dha short, Ra long, Ya short, then Na short, Ma is long because Satsanga is there, right? Tu is long, short, and Te is long. So here I have kept long, Laghu, Guru, Laghu. So Laghu, Guru, Laghu, right? Short, long, short. Then same here. Vrin, long, da, long, va, short, na, long. Then tha is short, na is long, and this tha is long, ya is short. So Laghu, Guru, Guru. Laghu, Guru, Guru in the third line. Then go, long, vi, long, da, long. Here short, na short, ma long, na short, maha long. So Laghu, Guru, Laghu. Laghu, Guru, Laghu. So we have done it according to the rules. So this is how you can just, try something on your own also. Not really a big deal. So yeah, that was one verse we just did. Shri Ganeshaya Shantaya. In fact, if you are thinking why I'm saying Shri Ganeshaya, if we are talking of Krishna, so one of the acharyas explains, or he gives the Krishnized meaning of Shri Ganesha. So Shri iti Radharani, like if you come to Barsana, we have the Shriji temple, right? In Barsana, Shriji Mandir. So Shri means Radha. Tasyaha Gana, her associates. Gana is associates. Parshad. So they are the gopis, the sakhis. Te tasam ishah, their master. So becomes Shri Ganesh. Tasmai namaha iti Shri Ganeshaya namaha. Got it? So Shri Radha.
Uh, can you repeat, Prabhu? I didn't understand. Ganeshaya, how did you read it? Like,
Yeah, let me. So Shri is Radharani.
Mhm.
Then her associates. In Sanskrit, we call it Gana also. Gana means
Oh, okay.
associates. So Shri Gana. So becomes Shri Gana. Now, their master or their lord. So master is Isha or Ishvara. So becomes Shri Gana and Isha. And by Sandhi rule, A and E becomes A. So we get Shri Ganesha. So this is how, that's one of the many meanings of Shri Ganesha, referring to Shri Krishna. So that's why Shri Ganesha. I really like the meaning, the explanation. So Shri Ganesha. So yeah.
Okay. Prabhu, what is Shantaya?
Shantaya means one who is peaceful, one is sober,
Oh,
one who is,
Shantaya. Okay.
one who is not perplexed in situations. That's Krishna. Yeah.
Okay. What is the meaning of this verse, Prabhu? Shri Ganesha Shantaya Shri.
So basically, this verse means I offer my obeisances or just repeated profuse obeisances unto Govinda, who is Shri Ganesha, who is Shant, who is Sridhara, who is Vrindavanasthanath. So all these are adjectives of Govinda. So just simple, like Kunti Maharani, her verse, the famous Namaha Pankaj Navaya, Namaha this, Namaha that, Namaha, same fashion. Namaha and then Namaha to what? Obeisances unto these different features of the Lord. So in that way, composing shlokas, if we begin with, let's say, Anushtup Chanda, is not really a big deal. We learn some grammar and we can try doing something. And that will be authentic. So I recently wrote 100 verses for my Gurudev, like in glorification of him. A Shatakam, a century. And I got it printed also. So we released it. So if you can see, so this is. So I named it Sri Lokanath Shatakam.
Oh,
Shri Lokanath Shatakam. I'll send a pic. Yeah, so Yeah, I shared. So this is Hindi book, but we also did it in English and Marathi, and Bengali is on the way, Bengali version. So 100 verses in glorification of Gurudev. So I have done it like in 4 to 5 chandas, in 4 to 5 meters. Anushtup is also there, and then other big chandas I also wanted to try. Okay.
Prabhu, this Anushtup Chanda is always LGG, LGL, LGG, LGL. Is it?
Yeah, the middle 5, 6, 7 is almost common. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, almost this is the pattern. Actually,
Okay.
there are lakshanas for each chanda. Lakshanas means characteristics of each meter, each chanda. That which letter, which will be what, in which line, you know, everything is defined. Uh, yeah. But yeah, for Anushtupa, this is the general pattern. Okay. Did you memorize sutras? Just.
Yeah, Prabhu. I memorized. It 43, 43, 44 to 50. Yeah.
Yeah, you can recite.
Sure, Prabhu. Yeah, Advayam E Dvaya A. Udvaya O. And Re Dvaya Ar. Re Dvayo Dvayo Or Rati. And then Re Dvayo Al. O U Dvaya. No, O Dvaya O. A. Is it A? A Dvaya.
I think first is A and then
Sorry.
Odaya.
I think I'm missing one, Prabhu. 49th, right?
I think A Doi. Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, A Dvaya.
I.
I, yes. A Dvaya I, yes. And then the last one is Sarveshwari. Yes, Sarveshwari.
Idvayameva Sarveshwari.
E,
Idvayameva Sarveshwari. 50th.
yes. Sarveshwari. Yes.
Okay, you can revise.
Sure, Prabhu.
So Sutra 42, we begin the Sandhis today, saying Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Generally, people worship Ganesha before commencing anything. So this is actually the grammar part now we are beginning. Sangya was just like a theory or some nominal thing. So Dashavatara Ekatmake Militva Trivikrama. The rule says when a Dashavatara is followed by its Ekatmaka, it joins with the Ekatmaka and becomes Trivikrama. First of all, before even beginning the sutra, let's say we have these two words next to each other, Krishna and Arjuna. So Sandhi takes place between the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the second word. So Sandhi only happens between these two letters. The last letter of the first word and the first letter of the second word. And Sandhi can take place in three forms, as we did in the Sangya chapter. Adesha Virinchi, Agamo Vishnu, Lopo Haraha. There can be substitution or addition, insertion, or deletion. So generally people think when we join something, so it's like we are adding something, merging something. No, but a deletion can also be Sandhi. We can delete and it can still be called a Sandhi, or it can be, we can insert something, or it can be a substitution or a replacement. So Krishna and Arjuna, so Sandhi happens between these two letters. Now in Sandhi, there is no necessity or requirement that the meanings of these two words, will be integrated. They may, link meaning wise, or they may not link. Sandhi has got nothing to do with the meanings of the two words where Sandhi is happening. If we study compounds, samasas, like Krishnasya Bhakta becomes Krishna Bhakta. The devotee of Krishna. Krishnasya Bhakta in Sanskrit, two words, Krishnasya Bhakta. Krishnasya means of Krishna, and Bhakta means devotee. So when we compound it, then we get a single word which is Krishna Bhakta. So in compounding, there has to be integration in the meanings of the two words. But in Sandhis, it may or may not. The meanings may or may not link of those two words. So, Dashavatara Ekatmake Militva Trivikrama. If at the first place we have any Dashavatara, I hope you are understanding the first place. First place means the last letter of the first word. So if we have Dashavatara at the first place, and if there is the Ekatmaka, if its Ekatmaka is following ahead, Dashavataras Ekatmakas. Tesham those of Ekatmaka. A are Ekatmakas of each other. E, U, Ri, and Ri. We had 5 pairs. So what will happen is Dashavatara will join with Ekatmaka and will result into the Trivikrama form of that pair. For example, let's say we have this Krishna and Arjuna. Is this first a Dashavatara? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And now is the second letter, which is the of Arjuna, is this Ekatmaka of the previous
Same, right?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes.
Yeah, Prabhu.
Although it is same, but it is Ekatmaka. See,
I think there was one sutra.
Ekatmaka
Oh, sorry.
means A equals to A equals to A equals to A, and A equals to A. These are the 4 probabilities, you can say, or possibilities. Ekatmaka means one soul. So, let's say a husband is Ekatmaka of wife. As we say, Ardhangini and all. In English, what do you say? Half?
Better
My
half.
better half,
Better
right?
half.
Better half. Better half. Not the worse half. So, now when we consider, let's say, a wife to be Ekatmaka to husband, let's say. So, husband by default is Ekatmaka of his own self, right?
Yeah.
So, similarly, small Vamana is Ekatmaka of its own self. And Vamana is Ekatmaka of Trivikrama. So, these are the 4 possibilities. So, the first is Dashavatara, and second is Ekatmaka of the So, the result is this will join with the and will join and will become the Trivikrama version. So that will be the long So becomes Krishna and like that. Will become the long version. Trivikrama. Krishna Arjuna. Krishna Arjuna. So if we have Advaya and Advaya, then the result will be the long I'm just giving you so there are 4 possibilities here. If we get examples of or we get examples of or we get examples of or of. In all these 4 possibilities, the answer would be Trivikrama A. The change would be Trivikrama A. So example for the first one we did Krishna Arjuna, right? So small Vamana and Vamana A. Let's do example for the second one. Jiva Goswami gives example Radha Agata. So first place Trivikrama A and the second place also Trivikrama A. So they are Dashavatara and Ekatmaka, right? So the result would be Radha Gata. Then let's say
Krishna Agata is
no,
a
no.
valid word.
Let's say something like Ram Astha, just something random. So Vamana and Trivikrama combo. So Vamana and Trivikrama, so the result would be Ramastha. Then the fourth possibility, Radha, let's say something like Arpita. So Vamana, Trivikrama and Vamana. So the result is Radha Pita. Got it? So similarly, so that was only the Advaya Dashavatara. Same kind of thing we have to consider for when it is Idvaya and Idvaya. The result is Idvaya. Again, four possibilities would be there. If we have Udvaya plus Udvaya, will be Trivikrama U. If it is Ridvaya plus Ridvaya, again the long Ri. And again, Ridvaya, because that's also part of the Shavtara, plus Ridvaya, long Ri. And in each of them will have four possibilities like this. Short, long, long, short, 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 long, long. So that is the first rule, the Dashavatara Ekatmake, Militva, Trivikrama. Let me show you some examples from Bhagavatam, maybe. जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतश्चार्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदायादिकवये हुयन्ति यत्सूरय तेजोवारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्ततोऽहं सत्यं परं धीमहि. So I can see 2-3 usages here of this rule only. First is you can take help of synonyms because Prabhupada had, done the Sandhi Vichhed, the split up in the synonyms. So you can practice your Sandhis. I practiced my Sandhis from Prabhupada's Bhagavatam. So I would see the verse, do the practice by myself, and then the answer keys are here in the synonyms. So if you see this one, and if you see synonyms, so we get Janma and Adi, right? So that's which category, which one? It's the third one, right?
Hmm.
The third one. Then Chartheshu is another example, Cha and Artheshu. So this is the first category. Cha,
Yeah.
Artheshu. What else? Yeah, that's all from this verse. So in this way, these sandhis are very common, rampant. Let's see if we have something here. Dharmaha projita kaitavutra parvo nirmatsarana satam vidyavasam. Shiva Bhagavate Mahamani Krita Shiva. No, nothing here. Nothing. Okay. So in this way, that's rule number 42, Sutra 42. Any doubt here? Okay, then Sutra 43. So Jiva Goswami has also given a couple of examples. Please go through them also. Then Adva Midva. Now the sutra says if we have Advaya at the first place and if we have Idvaya at the second place. Advaya at the first place and Idvaya at the second place, then the The change is, the sandhi is advaya, whatever advaya letter is there and whatever idvaya letter is there, both the letters will become A. Both the letters will become A. Examples. So Jiva Goswami gives examples. Yadava Indraha. Yadava Indraha becomes Yadav Indra. Gokula Ishaha, Gokuleshaha. Mathura Ishaha, Mathuresha. Any other example you can think of? Mahesh, Suresh, all these are
Prabhu's name is also there. Sura Indra.
Surendra, right? Sura and Sura and Indra, so becomes Surendra. Surendra, Narendra Modi, Narendra, Surendra, Vrajendra Nandan. So many such examples. Then Sutra 44, Udvayo. If we have Advaya at the first place, followed by Udvaya at the second, then the change is both the letters will become the O Rama. Examples: Purusha Uttamaha, Purushottamah, Suparna Udhaha, Suparnodhaha, Dwaraka Utsavaha, Dwarakotsavaha. Any other examples? Maha Utsavaha becomes Mahotsavaha.
What's
Similarly, yeah, this is also very common. Yam Pravrajantamanapetamavetana. Let's say Brahma Upanishad becomes Brahmo
Brahmopanishad.
Upanishad. So
Similarly,
Ishopanishad is actually this sutra. Isha
Isha.
and Upanishad becomes Ishopanishad by this rule. Even in the title, Sandhi is there. So Sarva Prakaranam Vyapi. Sandhi can exist anywhere throughout Sanskrit. So Sandhi can be used anywhere. Kena Upanishad. Kena Upanishad. So Kena Upanishad. So becomes the name itself has Sandhi, Kena Upanishad. So in that way, that is rule Sutra 44. Sarvopanishado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandanaha. Gita Mahatmya. So Sarva Upanishad becomes Sarvopanishad. It's from Gita Mahatmya. Sarvopanishado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandanaha. Okay. Then Sutra 45. Sutra 45 says, if we have Advaya at the first place, and if we keep Ritvaya at the second place, if you see the pattern, we are keeping Advaya at the first place and we are changing the letters at the second place, So that's the pattern going on right now. So Advaya and Ritvaya, so becomes, both the letters will become Ar. Ar. So example, let's say Maha Rishi. Rishihi. Maha Rishihi. So we have A and we have Ri. So both of them become Ar. So becomes Maharshi. Similarly, Deva Rishi, Devarshi, Raja Rishi, Rajarshi, Sapta Rishi, Saptarshi, and like that. One example, Grishma Rituhu, the summer season. Grishma Rituhu. So becomes what?
Gri- Grishma Ritu.
Grishma,
Grishma Ritu.
Grishma Rituhu.
Grishma Ritu.
Grishma Rituhu. See, in the verses, when we will read Shastras, scriptures, we will see the final forms, when the sandhis are already done. There we'll have to split them. Now we are learning the other way around because we are learning. But when we are reading Shastras, we have to be so well versed that we should be able to split the words, split the sandhi. So that will come by practice. So that was rule number 45, Sutra 45. Okay, I'll stop here. Go through the sandhis, the extra examples which Jiva Goswami has given, and then memorize the sutras. So memorize till because we'll be meeting the next class next week. So okay, next Monday. So the next Tuesday next week is my brother's marriage, my younger brother's marriage. So Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Wednesday will be a little busy. So I think Thursday or Friday, the next week only, if we can manage. Thursday, Friday would be easy for me. So please memorize till Sutra 60. Then we'll finish this section of Sandhis. This is like first section out of 3 sections of Sandhis. Please memorize till 60. That's whole homework number 1. Homework number 2 is please find out Sandhis in the first 15 verses of Bhagavatam first canto. First 15 verses of first chapter of Bhagavatam first canto. Whatever sandhis we have done out of them. And you can write and share on the WhatsApp. So that's homework number 2. Homework number 3, you can pick 5, canto 1, chapter 1, text 5, and count the syllables. Do the Laghu Guru thing. It will be helpful actually, doing this exercise. And yeah, so 115. If someone can mention on the group also the homework.
I'll do it.
If you want to save this write-up, I just
Yeah,
put
thank
it
you,
in.
Ro. This is, I was going to tell you actually, if you can give it to us. This is good.
The shloka is also there, which we did.
Yeah.
Can we share the PDF in the WhatsApp or somewhere? No? Whatever this is it doc or PDF?
Yeah,
Oh, it's just text. Oh, okay.
I shared in the chat. Maybe,
Oh, okay, that's fine, bro. Sure.
maybe
Yeah.
please mention the homework also in the group.
Sure, Ro. I will do that.
So I'll resume the next week then. Thursday or Friday, I'll mention.
But I think Friday doesn't work for Prabhu. So
Thursday works
we
for
can.
you?
Yes, probably. Thursday works for me.
Okay, 1 second. Thursday, let me
Or I mean,
set.
upfront we can manage Prabhu Friday as well. Just need to plan it accordingly. Either work for me, Thursday or Friday.
Yeah, Thursday is okay for me also.
Okay,
That's
Thursday. This plan Thursday.
Yeah, so Thursday we'll
Okay.
meet next week.
Okay, Ro.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Once again, to best the person to be which put the number when we